Hi everyone, my name is Alex, and this is my developer log. I wanna be an indie game developer. You can say why wanna be, because now I have a full-time job, I have a lot of bills to pay, I have a little child and wife and me who wants to eat every day, so I can spend only a few hours for making games as a hobby. But I wanna start this developer log to show you my road where I will become an indie game developer and then open my own game studio. Great idea, yes? I decided to start this channel because the most difficult part for me is to finish my game. As many of you, I guess, if you're trying to do games. So I already made 6 or 7 games for 70 or 80%, and for different reasons I didn't finish them. And I promise that on this channel I will finish this game and many other games. And you can help me if you will watch them. You can comment and say what do you want to see. Maybe I will make different tutorials, how to do different things, and all my process where I will learn a lot of things with you, and maybe you will learn me something new. So let's start from the beginning. I call this game Where is my paper? And you can guess why. This game was inspired by a pandemic world when all the people run to the shops for the paper. I already worked for this game for 2 or 3 months, but it was a prototype of a gameplay where different cubes and spheres and cylinders are moving, jumping, and do something else, and I thought that it's not interesting to show on YouTube. So I start only now because I'm started to create the world. In this game will be only one level, but it will be a huge level, a huge office with a lobby, rest area, kitchen, open space, different offices, outdoors, server room in a basement, and the roof. In this video I already created the lobby, the full lobby, the stairs to the basement and to the roof, and also I started a corridor between the lobby, open space and offices. Let's see how I did this. a finished lobby, finished stairs. There will be a door to a kitchen and some working spaces. There will be a door to a huge open space. In the center there is a garden. There is a toilet, men toilet, women toilet, a storage room. There is a different offices of a bosses. And there is a 2 meeting rooms. So let's finish this corridor. This is the final look of everything that I did now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, click all these buttons. Because this is my first video for this theme, I can advise you 2 different themes to see. One on my channel, where we, with my wife, made the Vikings village from the matchsticks. And my wife's channel, where she created very beautiful things. See you later.